Hey guys, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. Today I was going to put together just a little blurb on insurance companies, and homeowners. You are connected. You know, there is something that ties the three together. But what I want to explain to you is that this is very much a business transaction. There is no personal addressing in any of this. Some people like to feel that they're with a really good company and that company really appreciates their business and the fact that they've been loyal to that company for so long that it's been a wonderful thing. And I just want to tell you that most of that is preconceived notions on the part of yourselves. And that's not necessarily good or bad. It's just, it does not exist where personalities come into play. A lot of times I have people tell me how they are very good friends with the insurance agent that actually wrote the policy way back and that they've been with them forever and ever and ever. And that, they don't want to do anything because it would be they're doing something to him, and that's that friendship, that bond. What you need to realize is the insurance agent is just that, an agent of the insurance company, but and to a degree representation of that company. But by no means is he the company. And with that being said, once a situation goes beyond the writing of the policy, if you call him up to ask him any type of question, the next step is, if you have an actual claim, that would have to go to the claims department. Well, all of a sudden, that just knocked him right out of the picture. So, your close relationship with him sort of just stopped right there. Now we're moving into another department, another area, other personalities, other people that have a job to do. And, of course, we know what that job is, right? That job is for them to do what they can to either deny the claim or to minimize the payout on the claim. But, as I say, what I want to just get to you folks, the point across is that this is a business transaction. You have paid a premium for a service, which is protection of your home through such and such insurance company. And that's legal and binding, and that's on the up and up, and that's just what took place. But don't read more into it than what it really is. The bottom line to this is, when a decision has to be made and they need to deny your claim because it's so shaky, or at least in their opinion it's so shaky, they are going to do that. And your personality, your background, all the nice things that you do for other people doesn't really matter. It's nice that you do all those things, but has no regards to how things are handled during the claim process. So this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I can be reached at 610-213-8820, or I can be emailed at Steve Wolbach, WOLBACH, at the letter Y, mail.com. So that's Steve Wolbach at ymail.com. And I hope you guys will reach out to me. If you learned anything today, please would you, what would I like you to do? I would like you to like the page. There you go. And after you've liked the page, if you would please share that. Share that with some of the other folks that you converse with and that you're in touch with. And once you're finished sharing, if you haven't already, subscribe to my page so that when I do others, and I will be doing several others, we got the ball going, we're not going to stop. please subscribe so that you get notices and you can view that then and learn something. These are instructional in nature. This is something to give you good information to make you as a homeowner more knowledgeable about your policy. There are also times where I'll do a video on where we are looking just to bring people on board, and I'm also mentioning that now. My company is hiring. We would be more than happy to bring folks in. It is all in-house training. As long as you're a people person, you're willing to step out of your comfort zone. You need to have transportation, of course. And if you're willing to learn, then we want you. You know, we're like Uncle Sam. We want you. It could be a nice change, or it could be a nice supplement to what you're already doing. The nice thing about this is it can be full or part-time. It doesn't have to be just one or the other, or just full-time. If you want to keep the job that you've got and you just want to make additional income, can't fault you for that. No problem there. Join us, and you can fit that in and work that around what you're already doing. That's a nice thing about this, is it is very, very flexible. I myself, I'm a balloon artist also. I do different balloon parties and birthday parties, big events for a whole community, art festivals, things like that. This thing does not interfere. So as being a public adjuster, I'm able to work around and work my schedule such that I can do that. And you can imagine my weekends, I need to be free on the weekends. There's where most of your activities, your parties are. You see, I was on a little bit of a bumpy road there, wasn't I? But anyway, so guys, there's my story. That's what I have to offer. If you're interested, give me a call. Again, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I'm licensed in PA, New Jersey, and Maryland. I hope you guys have learned something and that you'll tune in the future. God bless you.